Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Substack. First, navigate to the Substack website and locate the Get Started button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. After this initial step, you can choose a distinctive name for your publication. This name will be visible to your readers and should accurately represent your content. It's a straightforward process to begin your publishing journey. Next, you'll want to personalize your publication settings. This includes crafting a compelling description, uploading a recognizable logo, and designing a warm welcome email for new subscribers. If you prefer, you can also connect a custom domain to your Substack. Think about how often you plan to publish and organize your content into relevant categories to help readers find what they love. Now it's time to create your first piece of content. Head to the editor, where you can write and format your newsletter or article. Feel free to incorporate engaging elements like images, videos, or even audio clips to make your post more dynamic. Always take a moment to preview your work. This ensures everything looks perfect and professional before you share it with your audience. Finally, consider how you'd like to monetize your efforts. Substack allows you to offer paid subscriptions, providing exclusive content to your most dedicated readers. You can set up different tiers and pricing, perhaps starting at $5 per month. Once everything is ready, share your publication link widely across social media and other platforms to attract new subscribers and expand your reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.